The Maurya and Gupta empires, culinary exchanges. The Maurya 321 to 185 BCE and Gupta 320 to 550 CE. Empires played a significant role in the development of Indian food history. The expansion of these empires facilitated cultural exchanges and trade with neighboring regions, introducing new ingredients and cooking techniques to Indian cuisine. The introduction of ingredients such as saffron, almonds, and pistachios from Persia and Central Asia enriched the Indian culinary repertoire. This period also saw the refinement of cooking methods, with an emphasis on elaborate meals and the use of aromatic spices. The influence of Islamic rule. The arrival of Islamic rulers in India from the 12th century onwards had a profound impact on Indian food history. The Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Empire introduced Persian, Afghan, and Central Asian culinary traditions to the Indian subcontinent. This fusion gave rise to the Mughlai cuisine, known for its rich aromatic dishes such as biryani, kebabs, and kormas. The use of ingredients like dried fruits, nuts, and saffron, along with slow cooking techniques, became hallmarks of this cuisine. The tandoor oven, brought by the Mughals, revolutionized Indian cooking, leading to the creation of beloved dishes like tandoori chicken and naan. Regional diversity, a culinary mosaic. India's vast and diverse geography has given rise to a multitude of regional cuisines, each with its unique flavors and specialties. The culinary traditions of North India, characterized by rich gravies and bread, differ significantly from the rice-based dishes and coconut-infused curries of South India. The coastal regions offer an abundance of seafood, while the arid landscapes of Rajasthan and Gujarat have inspired innovative vegetarian dishes. The influence of colonial powers, such as the Portuguese in Goa and the British in Bengal, further enriched Indian food history by introducing new ingredients and cooking techniques. The modern era. Global influence and innovation. In the modern era, Indian food history continues to evolve and adapt. The diaspora of Indian communities around the world has popularized Indian cuisine globally, making dishes like curry, samosas, and chai household names. Fusion cuisine, which blends traditional Indian flavors with international influences, has gained popularity in recent years. Chefs and home cooks alike are experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, pushing the boundaries of Indian culinary traditions while honoring their roots. The role of Indian food in cultural celebrations. Throughout Indian food history, cuisine has played a central role in cultural and religious celebrations. Festivals such as Diwali, Eid, and Pongal are marked by elaborate feasts featuring a variety of traditional dishes. Sweets and desserts hold a special place in Indian celebrations, with regional specialties like gulab jamun, jalebi, and payasam taking center stage. Food is not just sustenance, it is a means of expressing hospitality, love, and community.